Ensuring construction aligns with design is critical in any construction project. And at NavVis, we make it simpler by bringing everything into one integrated solution, providing teams with the right tools to make informed decisions and keep projects on track from start to finish. With the NavVis LX Series dynamic laser scanning systems, you can quickly capture large, complex, or confined spaces at the speed of walking, while recording control points for precise geo-registration and data alignment. Both systems can be used alone or in combination with conventional solutions, ensuring fast, reliable survey-grade data capture. After scanning is complete, simply upload the data to NavVis IVION processing and automate the task with just a few clicks. Our cloud-based software, NavVis IVION, transforms reality capture data into interactive, web-based spaces, creating a single point of contact for connected analyzing, planning, and decision-making. Conduct preliminary visual inspections with 360-degree images and detailed point clouds. Conveniently measure distances and areas, or annotate points of interest on site that require specific attention. Effortlessly share your findings with project stakeholders for streamlined collaboration. Import design models to remotely compare up-to-date site conditions with planned designs. Use color overlays for a clear visual comparison and closely examine details with cross-sections. Easily measure geometric deviations and highlight discrepancies, and share insights with stakeholders, whether through exporting in standard formats such as CSV and DXF, or simply by sharing a direct link to the NavVis IVION site. BIM and VDC specialists can seamlessly integrate NavVis data into third-party verification software like Autodesk Navisworks for additional verification requirements. Simply crop and download required sections in your preferred file formats, such as E57 or RCS. To wrap it up, NavVis ensures efficiency and high precision, with an integrated solution throughout construction that reduces errors and prevents costly rework, saving you both time and resources.